Welcome to my review of the devolo Wi-Fi 7 Mesh BE6500 3-pack. This is a Wi-Fi 7 mesh kit to really make your home network run nice and fast and also hopefully give you a stable connection. That's what we're going to talk to you about in this review. So this product was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm purely sharing my opinion with you so you can make an informed buying decision. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the devolo BE6500. It's a Wi-Fi 7 mesh kit and it's plug and play. Comes with a 3 years warranty. I'm going to actually show you the box contents very shortly, but I will just show you the bottom of the box here. So this shows you the fact that we can download a devolo home network app. It's available in the iOS App Store for Apple devices and also on the Google Play Store. And this is the package contents, and I'll show you this very shortly. And then if we take a look at the bottom of the box, you can see some of the main features that they've listed. And that includes dual band Wi-Fi up to 6500 megabits per second. Also, it supports Wi-Fi 7 and the older Wi-Fi speeds as well, or Wi-Fi standards. It's plug in and go. So once you've plugged it in, you simply go in the app and you should be ready to go with just a few steps in the app. Down here, we've got a picture of the products and you can see that the units each have 3 1 gigabit LAN ports and a 2.5 gigabit WAN LAN port. The WAN LAN port is used obviously for plugging into your existing modem router, which you should switch into just modem only mode. And then we've got a DC input for the power, a WPS button and a reset button on each unit as well. So that's what the box details. Now let's have a look at the actual products properly. So this is the box contents, and inside the box, apart from the 3 units, you're going to get an installation guide to get you up and running. We also get, and this is really good because a lot of manufacturers don't do this, you normally get 1 Ethernet cable with a lot of other manufacturers, but in this kit you get 3 Ethernet cables. Now you only really need 1 for plugging in the main unit, but the other 2 you can plug these in if you've got an Ethernet socket near your satellites. So that's really useful that they include the 3 cables. And then this is a UK kit, so we've got 3 UK power adapters, 1 for each unit. If you're buying this in another country that it's supported in, then your power adapter might look slightly different, but this is a 3-pin UK power adapter. And I like the fact that they've done these in white as well to match the unit. Sometimes again other manufacturers just put a standard black power adapter in. It's just nice that they've done this all matching. And then we've got the Wi-Fi 7 units themselves, and they're primarily the same. If you look at each of them, they all look really the same. We'll put these to one side. These are the satellites, and then this one here is the main controller. So this is like your main controller, and it's a really nice design. It's nice and compact, which I like. Again, referring to other manufacturers, some of these are very, very big, but you can see it's just a little bit bigger than my hand, and it's a nice shape. We've got some ventilation on the top here. We've got a rubberized foot on the bottom, and then on here we've got a little sort of QR code to gain access to the app quickly. We've also got the ports, so we've got the 1 gigabit ports and then the 2.5 gigabit port, and that's what's going to go into your modem router or your existing broadband connection. And it's always advisable when you're setting up something new like this to switch your modem router, if it's a combined unit, into modem only mode and let this new system take over the routing capabilities of your system. Then we also of course got the power input for those power adapters, little tiny reset switch and a WPS switch which you can use for ease of connection. So really nice unit. Now during my tests these were super easy to set up, very easy indeed. The app is really well laid out as well. And what really counts is how stable is the connection. Well, first of all, the wired connection's absolutely fine, as you'd expect. And the wireless connections, I placed these one on each floor of the building I tested them in, so sort of ground floor, first floor and second floor of the building, and I found that the actual coverage was very, very good. I always advise in placing these up high in the room, so high on a bookcase if you can, because Wi-Fi signals drop down, so that's a good tip. But overall, between those rooms the connectivity was very stable and the Wi-Fi speeds were very good as well. What I would say is if you've got a building that's got very thick walls, you might need to place these a little bit closer together. I had to place the third one quite strategically to get it to connect nicely. But overall, the connection was very stable and the Wi-Fi 7 speeds were very, very good indeed. Now, a mesh Wi-Fi network is good because when you move from room to room, the device you're using, that could be something like a phone or a tablet or a laptop, seamlessly connects between these, so it doesn't mean you have to disconnect from one and then reconnect to another access point. It should be seamless because this creates, as the name suggests, like a mesh network in your home. These are really very good indeed. Devolo have done a fantastic job and I can highly recommend them. If you want to pick up something like this for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. Thank you for watching. Please do hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.